In this video, I will show you how to disassemble this 2017 Subaru Forester LED headlight. I will begin by cutting off the remainder of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. If you're removing the lens and you intend to reinstall it, there are 5 Phillips head screws around the edge of the housing holding the lens in place. These screws are there to hold the lens in place while the glue dries. Here we can see that the front bezel with the LED daytime running light is connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will remove those Phillips head screws now. I removed 10 Phillips head screws. The LEDs attached to this bezel are all plastic welded into place. They cannot be easily removed and reinstalled. Next, I will remove the turn signal reflector. Next, I will remove the 3 mounting points holding on the LED projector bracket. The last step is to pull the wire harness through this hole. We simply need to push the rubber grommet in and wiggle the connector through. At this point, the headlight housing is now empty. Next, I will remove the swivel motor from the bottom of the projector. With the top retainer removed, we can pop the projector out of the bracket. Now the only thing holding it in place is this last wire harness clips. The LED projector is now free from the light. At this point, I will begin to disassemble the LED projector. First thing I'm going to do is remove this silver bezel. There are 2 clips on the top holding the bezel in place. Simply lift them up and push the bezel forward. Next, I will remove the 2 screws holding the lens holder in place. Next, I will disconnect the bi-LED solenoid actuator connector. Next, I will remove the Phillips head screws holding on the cutoff shield. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding on the top of the reflector. There are 2 Phillips head screws holding the ballast to the projector. There's a simple cover covering the ballast. We can simply pop this off with a small screwdriver. At this point, the light is fully disassembled. Here is the LED projector ballast. Here's the low beam projector LED. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.